Hello students, welcome to your favorite channel Vedantu NCRT Solution. Here you will be getting the detailed solution of each and every question of your NCRT, and we will help you to score more and solve these sums easily. So now in this session, let us try to solve question number 5 of exercise 1.2 of the chapter relation and function. See children, an important function. This question is related to an important function which is called a signum function. What is a signum function? In the question it's given in detail, the signum function will take the value. The signal function f of x will take the value 1 if x is greater than 0, and it will take the value 0 if x is equal to 0, and it will take the value 1 if x is less than 0. So you have to prove that it is neither 1 1 nor on 2. See children, it's a clear simple problem. Yes, because we know when for f of x takes the value 1 for every x greater than 0, that means f of 2 is equal to f of 3 equal to f of 4, right children? All these will take the value 1 because they are greater than 0. That means 2 not equal to 3 not equal to 4, correct? So in that case what you can write, this is clearly not a 1 1 function, because for 1 1 function if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, x1 should be equal to x2, but in this case it is not 1 1, correct children? It is not 1 1. Yes. Now let us check whether the given function is onto. If you're looking at this, observe this very carefully children. Onto function, you can notice that only 3 values in the codomains will be taken. Only 3 values will be mapped to all the elements of the domain. That is, if x is greater than 0, you take 1. If x is equal to 0, you take 0. If x is less than 1, you take 1. But your codomain and the domain is of the set R, real numbers. In that case, for f of x is equal to minus 2, think f of x equal to minus 2, there is no value in the domain, or there is no value of x in the domain, right children? In that case what you can write, it is not onto. It is neither 1 1 not onto. So you proved it is neither 1 1 nor onto. See children, be very conscious when you're solving these kind of problems, because they have told f of x takes the value 1, f of x takes the value 0, f of x takes the value 1 when x is. They have totally, if you see, it is basically f of x takes the value minus 1 if x is less than 0. Okay, try to understand this very carefully. If suppose the value of x is greater than 0, that means whatever value it is taking the value 1. If x value is 0, it is taking the value 0, and if x is less than 0, for whatever value it is going to take the value minus 1. Keep this in mind children. Whenever you get sums like this, you can clearly understand that in the codomain there is only 3 elements out of set of all real numbers. That means not all the elements of the codomain is mapped. So clearly, just by looking at the question, you can write it as not onto. Is that clear children? I hope you have understood this question. Like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends so that even they can solve all these NCRT questions easily and quickly. So thank you children.